Hello children. So let's learn past continuous tense. Now past continuous tense means that at some point of time in the past we were in the middle of the action. Before the examples, let's look at the formation. Now formation, subject plus was a were plus verb in ing form. Look at these examples. Number 1, I was playing football with my friends. So here I is the subject and it is singular. So with the singular you use was and the verb play becomes playing. Number 2, we were watching TV. So we is plural. Okay, so with plural you use were and the verb watch becomes watching. Okay, so please make sure that in past continuous tense the verb should be in ing form. The past continuous tense also describes about an action which was in progress when another took place. Look at the two examples. I was sleeping when the doorbell rang. We were watching TV when he called. So here I've underlined was sleeping, rang, were watching, called. So let me highlight these examples. Number 1, I was sleeping when the doorbell rang. So was sleeping here. Okay, it is an ongoing activity in the past where another finished action interrupted. And what was the finished action? That is the doorbell rang. Okay, look at the second example. We were watching TV. So here were watching is an unfinished, okay, ongoing action when another finished action took place, and that is somebody called. So here called is the single finished action. Now you also need to pay attention to the verbs that ends with an e. Okay, verbs like make, take, care, wake, bake, close, so etc. So these verbs, they need to drop their letter e in past continuous tense. Examples like I was taking a walk in the park, we were making our bed, they were closing the door. So here verbs like take, make, close becomes taking, making, closing. Okay, now let's learn past continuous in negative. The formation is subject plus was not, were not. Okay, you can also alternate with wasn't or weren't plus verb in ing form. 3 examples have been given. I wasn't talking to you. We weren't listening to you. You weren't looking for the book. Okay, so I hope you understood. Now, past continuous tense in questions. So now this is the last part. Look at the formation. Was or were plus verb in ing form with the question mark. So here don't forget the question mark. Okay. Examples like was I driving the car fast? Were you running across the sand? Was she playing basketball? Were they doing the homework? Okay, so these are examples in past continuous in questions. Okay, so now if you have to form past continuous in negative interrogative, then you can form examples like wasn't she playing basketball? Weren't they doing their homework? Okay. Now this much in past continuous, and in the next video we will do past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. And now for the next assignment you have to do exercise D from your textbook. Okay, and I would also like to mention that for the previous assignments, okay, though we have received we have received your assignments, but we would like you to do the corrections also, and we have provided the answers. Okay, so please check your class group chat and do the corrections. And so I hope everybody is doing well. So keep learning and take care, children.